Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Hasham. In this video, I'm going to explain you two new topics in this time series analysis. The new topics are shifting the origin and converting the trend equation. Shifting the origin means we are shifting the present origin to a new origin. For example, a straight line trend equation is given, that is yc is equal to 24 plus 0.8x. This is the trend equation given with the base year of 2010. Suppose, imagine. So this equation yc is equal to 24 plus 0.4x. This trend equation is given with the base year 2010. Now there is a proposal to shift the base year from 2010 to 2014 forward. Or we want to shift the origin from 2010 to 2006. So either backward or forward, we want to shift the origin. So how to shift the origin and change the trend equation? That's what we are going to discuss in this video. Apart from that, converting the annual trend value into quarterly trend value or monthly trend value, or reconverting from monthly trend value to annual trend value. These are the short problems which may be asked in examination. So I'm going to explain these problems in this video. So don't skip in between. Watch that video till the end to get the complete command, confidence on the subject. So remember, if you join in the middle, you will not be able to understand. So keep a rhythm of watching all the videos. I have uploaded on so many videos on this topic of time series analysis. Go to the playlist of my channel, select the subject business statistics 2. In that you will find time series analysis. Select the videos of time series analysis, starting first video introduction. Then many videos are given for straight line trend. More than 20 problems I have solved on straight line trend. Then parabola. 3 problems I have done on second degree parabola. Now this topic I am going to do in shifting the origin and converting the trend. So before starting the problem, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems which I have given in the link under my description. So take a printout and keep it ready. Shifting of origin and trend conversion. This is the topic. Now see the problem number 4. The straight line trend equation is y is equal to 45 plus 2.5x. The straight line trend equation is given. yc is equal to 45 plus 2.5x. Where the origin is 1996. This trend equation has been made with the origin of 1996. X unit is 1 year and y unit means annual value. Revise the above equation by shifting the origin to 1999. So presently the equation 45 plus 2.5x, that equation was made by taking the origin of 1996. Now we want to shift the origin from 1996 to 1999, ahead, forward. How many years forward? From 1996 to 1999. That means 96 and 97, 98, 99. 3 years forward we have to go, right? 3 years forward we have to go. So how to shift the origin? This is the first problem. See carefully. Present trend equation is given in the problem 45 plus 2.5x. Origin, it is given in the problem. Presently the origin is 1996. Now x unit 1 year, y unit means annual value. Now new origin. It is asking you to shift the origin from 96 to 99. So how many years? 3 years ahead. From 1996 to 1999, we have to go, we have to move 3 years ahead. The new equation will be, what is the old equation? 45 plus 2.5. Here x. X we have taken, base year 1996. Now we have to move 3 years ahead, forward. So x plus 3. We are moving 3 years ahead, means forward. So x plus 3 we will take. Now 45 plus, now open this bracket with 2.5. 2.5 into x is 2.5x. Plus 2.5 into 3 is 7.5. Now this 45 and 7.5 are the constants. So you can add up both the constants. So 45 plus 7.5 you will get 52.5. 52.5. 2.5x as it is. So y is equal to 2.5x plus 52.5. This is the new straight line trend equation with the base 1999. New base is 1999. For this new base of 1999, the equation is this one. And this is the equation for the base 1996. That's all. This problem number 4. Now see the fifth problem. Given the trend equation 34.5 plus 2.1x. Present trend equation 34.5 plus 2.1x. Origin is 1999 is equal to 0. Base year, the x value will be 0. Base year, x value 0. So 1999 is the origin or base year. Now change the base year to 2003 and rewrite the trend equation. Now from 1999 we want to change the base to 2003. The new origin is 2003. So how many years ahead? From 1999 to 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003. So 4 years. We have to move ahead 4 years. So that is 4 years ahead, forward. So new equation, y is equal to 34.5 plus 2.1 x plus 4. We have to move forward. That's why we are taking x plus 4. Previous problem we have taken 3 years forward, x plus 3. Now x plus 4. Now open the bracket 34.5 as it is. 2.1 into x is 2.1x plus 2.1 into 4 is 8.4. 2.1 into 4 is 8.4. Now add up both the constants. 34.5 plus 8.4, you will get 42.9. 34.5 plus 8.4, you will get 42.9. So y is equal to 22.1x plus 42.9. This is the new equation with the base 2003. That's it. Now, sixth problem. The trend equation of a phenomena is y is equal to 88 plus 0.6s. Instead of x, it is given s. Doesn't matter. The origin is 1997. The present equation is 88 plus 0.6s. And origin is 1997. Time is 1 year. Shift the origin to 2001. Exactly similar to the previous problem. New origin is 2001. So how many years ahead, forward? From 1997. तो 97 के बाद 98, 99, 2000, 2001 means 4 years. 4 years ahead. So now we take 88 plus 0.6 into s plus 4. S plus 4. Now 88 as it is. Now open the bracket with 0.6. So 0.6 into s is 0.6s plus 0.6 into 4 is 2.4. Now add up the constants. 88 plus 2.4 is 90.4. So new equation is y is equal to 0.6s plus 90.4. That's all. New trend equation. Sixth problem completed. Seventh one. The trend equation of a time series is fitted as follows. Y is equal to 60 plus 1.5x. Y is equal to 60 plus 1.5x. This is the present trend equation. Shift the trend origin from 1998 to 1993. Given the time unit is 1 year. Here we have to move backward. Presently this equation is given for the origin 1998. The present equation has been made with the origin 1998. Now there is a proposal to shift the origin to 1993. That means we are moving backward. How many years backward? From 1998 to 1997, then 1996, then 1995, then 1994, then 1993. So totally 5 years. We are moving backward 5 years. So 5 years back. पीछे. So minus 5. X minus 5. When we are moving forward, we are taking plus. X plus. Like here you can see x plus 3. X plus 4. Here also x plus 4. That means we are moving forward. Now this is the first problem where we are moving backward from 1998 to 1993. So new trend equation 60 plus 1.5 into x minus 5. X minus 5. Now 60 plus, open the bracket with 1.5. 1.5 into x is 1.5x. Minus 1.5 into 5 is minus 7.5. Minus 7.5. Now 60 minus 7.5. 60 minus 7.5. You will get 52.5. The new trend equation yc is equal to 1.5x plus 52.5. That's all. Seventh problem completed. Now see the eighth one. Given the following equation, y is equal to 80 plus 6x. So you can see here 80 plus 6x. Origin 1980. So 1980 is the origin, mid of 1980. When we say 1980, it means middle of the year 1980, center of the year 1980. X unit 1 year, change the origin to 1st January 1981. So actually this equation is made with the origin of 1980. 1980 means middle of 1980, 1st July 1980, that is the middle exactly. Now we want to shift the origin from 1st July 1980 to 1st January 1981. So how many months ahead? 6 months. We have to move 6 months ahead. 6 months means half year. 6 months means 0.5 year. So origin 1980, that is mid of 1980, that is 30th June 1980. New origin is 1st January 1981. So old was 30th June 1980. Now new origin is 1st January 1981. So how many months? 6 months ahead or 0.5 year ahead. Instead of writing months, we can write it years because X unit is in year. Now we can write 80 plus 6x. 80 plus 6x plus 0.5 because 0.5 year ahead. Now open the bracket, 80 plus 6 into x, 6x. 6 into 0.5 is 3. Now 80 plus 3 is 83. So YC is equal to 6x plus 83. That's this is the new straight line trend with the base 1st January 1981. That's all. Next, 9th problem. Shift the trend origin from 1997 to 1st January 1998. In the linear equation, y is equal to 14.5 plus 0.4x. So equation 14.5 plus 0.4x. This is the equation. And the present origin is 1997. 1997 means middle of 1997. Mid of 1997. New origin we have to change to 1st January 1998. So from middle of 1997 to 1st January 1998, that means 6 months ahead, just like the previous problem. 6 months means half year. So half year ahead we have to go, 0.5 year ahead. Now new equation, yc is equal to 14.5 plus 0.4 into x plus 0.5. Open the bracket, 0.4 into x is 0.4x. 0.4 into 0.5 is 0.2. So 14.5 plus 0.2, 14.7. So 0.4x plus 14.7, that is YC, new trend equation. That's all. This is the end of problem number 9. Now problem number 10 you can see. This is the last problem on last problem shifting of origin. Last problem on shifting of origin. 10th problem. Given the trend equation, y is equal to 35 plus 5x plus 3x square. Read it as 3x square. 35 plus 5x plus 3x square. It is second degree parabola. Origin 1968. X unit 1 year. Change the origin of the equation to 1974. Presently the equation, the trend equation, that means parabola equation is given for the origin 1968. Now we have to shift from 1968 to 1974. So how many years ahead? 6 years. 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. 6 years ahead we have to go. But the new point in this problem is we are not given straight line trend. We are given second degree parabola. Square is there. So here present equation is 35 plus 5x plus 3x square. This is the second degree parabola. Origin 1968, new origin 1974. That is 6 years ahead. We have to move 6 years ahead, forward. So x plus 6. Wherever x is given, we add up 6. X plus 6. So you can see 35 plus 5 into x plus 6 plus 3 into x plus 6 whole square, because x square is given. What is given? X square. So here x is x plus 6. In place of x, I am writing x plus 6 whole square. Now carefully you have to solve, simplify these calculations. 35. 5, open the bracket with 5. 5 into x, 5x. 5 into 6, 30. 5, 6 is 30. Up to here we have completed. Now 3 into x plus 6 whole square. X plus 6 whole square. Remember the formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So x plus 6 whole square. So it will become x square plus 6 square will become 36 plus 2ab. 2 into x into 6, 12x. 2 into x into 6, 12x. So I have opened x plus 6 whole square, you will get x square plus 36 plus 12x. Now, we will put all constants at one place. Constants are 35 plus 5x plus 30 plus, open this bracket with 3. 3 into x square, 3x square. 3 into 36, 108. 3 into 12, 36x. We have opened the bracket with 3. Now, in this equation, keep all constants at one place. So 35 plus 30 plus 108. These three are the constants. So 35 plus 30 plus 108, 173. Here 5x plus 36x. 5x plus 36x is 41x. 41x plus 3x square as it is. 3x square as it is. So ultimately, the new trend parabolic equation is 173 plus 41x plus 3x square. This is according to the new base year, that is 1974. That's all. So these are the problems of shifting the origin either forward or backward. So if you have watched these problems, definitely you can get a command, you can write an examination regarding the shifting of origin. Now next problem is converting the annual trend equation into straight line trend, into quarterly trend or monthly trend. So converting the annual trend into quarterly trend or monthly trend, these are the problems. Now 11th problem, you see, given an equation y is equal to 140 plus 18x. In the material, in this question paper, it is written 80x. So cut off that 80x, make it 18x, 18. 80, that is a misprint there. So cut off 80 and write on 18x. X unit is equal to 1 year. Convert the equation into quarterly trend. Presently it is annual trend. Now we have to convert the trend into quarterly. So how many quarters are there? 4 quarters in a year. 4 quarters in a year. So converting the annual trend into quarterly trend or monthly trend. Present annual trend equation is 140 plus 18x given in the problem. 140 plus 18x. Converting the equation into quarterly trend, conversion of annual trend into quarterly trend will be done as follows. Here you can see how we can convert the annual trend into quarterly trend. So A divided by 4. A means constant. What is the constant here? 140. 140 is A. So A divided by 4 plus B divided by 4 into 12, because year consists of 4 quarters and 12 months. So 4 into 12 into x. So by using this formula, we are converting the annual trend into quarterly trend. So here x unit is 1 year, y unit is quarterly value. Here x unit is 1 year, whereas y is quarterly value. So quarterly trend equation is 140. Here a value is 140. So 140 divided by 8, divided by 4, not 8. It is 140 divided by 4. 140 divided by 4. Then 18 divided by 4 into 12. 18 is here. You can see here 18. 18 divided by 4 into 12, x. So 140 divided by 4, 35. 18 divided by 48. 18 divided by 48, you will get 0.375 into x. This is called the quarterly trend equation. So we have converted the annual into quarterly. Now 12th problem. Given an equation y is equal to 160 plus 24x. X unit 1 year. So yearly trend is given. Convert the equation into quarterly trend just like the previous problem. Annual trend we are converting into quarterly trend. So present 160 plus 24x. Converting the equation into quarterly trend equation. So 160 divided by 4 plus 24 divided by 4 into 12 into x. So 160 by 4, 40. 24 divided by 48, you'll get 0.5x. That's it. This is the conversion of annual into quarterly. 13th problem. Given y is equal to 300 plus 24x. Origin 1991, x unit 1 year. That means annual trend is given. Y units annual profit. Convert it into monthly trend. Previous two problems we have converted into quarterly trend. Now we have to convert it into monthly trend. So instead of 4, we will take 12. So in the previous problem we have taken 4 in denominator. So instead of 4, now we take 12 because monthly trend we want. Present yearly trend 300 plus 24x. Converting it into monthly trend. So 300 divided by 12. 24 divided by 12 into 12. 12 12s are 144. So 300 divided by 12 is 25. 24 divided by 144. 24 divided by 144, you'll get 0.167x. This is the converting of yearly trend into monthly trend. Now last and final problem, 14th one. Convert the following monthly trend equation into annual. We are reconverting. Presently monthly trend is given. We have to convert the monthly into annual. So instead of dividing, now we multiply. Opposite will go. Suppose annual is given and we have to convert it into monthly. So we are dividing by 12. We are dividing it by 12 because we want to convert from annual to monthly. Now we are converting from monthly to annual. So instead of dividing, we are multiplying. So multiply by 12 and multiply by 144. Present monthly trend. Y is equal to 3 plus 0.0135x. This is the monthly trend. Converting the monthly trend into annual trend. So 3 into 12. Earlier we have divided 300 divided by 12. Annual को monthly trend करना, तो we are dividing. Here monthly को average annual में convert कर रहे. So 3 into 12, 36. So 0.0135 into 144 because divided by 144. Here we are dividing by 144. So here we'll multiply by 144 into x. So 36 plus multiply 0.0135 into 144. You get 1.944x. This is the annual trend, converting the monthly trend into annual trend. So in this video I have explained you how to shift the origin and how to convert the trend from yearly to quarterly or monthly to annual. So I have explained you in detail. So if you are satisfied with my lecture, give a like to the video, share the video in your friend circle, in your group so that more students can watch the video and enhance the knowledge. Give your comments and lastly, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So already we have completed the problems on straight line trend, parabola, shifting the origin, converting the trend. All these topics we have done. Now the last topic I am going to start in the next video is regarding seasonal variations. In the next video I will start the topic seasonal variations. So keep watching and get a good confidence on the subject.